is some funny stuff right here. It's got a tape deck. Thanks. It's got a tape deck, babe.
I'm gonna feel it. I'm gonna just feel it.
We could get all our cassettes.
Oh, look, it's so retro. Man, this is like my dad's car or something.
Yeah, it is.
It's so cool.
Probably took care of it that way too.
I love it.
Look, it's got a
Look,
lighter.
It's got a tape player.
It's got an ashtray.
Oh my god. I love it. Alright, well, let's just stop. You want me to turn it off now for you guys?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. That's cool. We just want, it's certainly eye-catching.
Yeah, it's not something you see every day.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Can you lock it?
I gotta get out.
Can you get out?
I don't know. I don't know how to get out.
You guys see-
Pull back on that.
Pull back on that little lever.
That's it? I thought that was the one down the window.